Hello and welcome to Nurse's Handbook. Today I will be sharing with you about standard precautions for infection prevention and control. This is also referred as universal precaution or is known as standard precautions. In order to break the chain of infection, these universal precaution or standard precautions must be used. And now let us see one by one these precautions. First is hand hygiene, which is the most effective way to prevent the spread of infection. And hand hygiene involves hand rubbing and hand washing. The second precaution is the use of personal protective equipments like gloves, aprons, gowns, masks, goggles, visors, etc. This is also an essential element for infection control, as the benefit of wearing PPE is twofold, that it provides protection to both the wearer and the patient. The third precaution is environmental management, and for maintaining this we have several measures, and now let us see these measures one by one. The first way of environmental management is decontamination, and it refers to a combination of processes by which pathogenic microorganisms, including bacterial spores, are removed from an item, making that item safe to handle, use or discard. Decontamination is basically a three-step process which involves cleaning, disinfection and sterilization. The second way of environmental management is isolation and cohorting. Patients known or suspected to have an infection should be nursed in isolation or cohorting in order to prevent the spread of infection to others. Now, the third way of environmental management is respiratory precautions, respiratory hygiene and cough etiquettes. And why it is important? It is important to maintain, as pathogens causing respiratory tract infections can survive in the environment for a period of time. Coming to the fourth way of environmental management is safe sharp practice. It includes safe handling of sharps as well as splash injury management. Now, coming to the last way of environmental management, that is safe handling of linens and laundry. Linen must be handled and stored in such a way so as to prevent clean linen from becoming contaminated and dirty linen from causing contamination of hands, surfaces and clean linen. So, in a summary, the main 5 measures or the principles to prevent infection are hand hygiene, use of PPE and environmental management. Thank you for watching. For more updates like this, do like, share and subscribe to our channel Nurse's Handbook.